Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Green Thumb Industries. Haven't talked about them for a while. Ticker GTBIF. Here's a look at what they've done over the last year. So it's kind of came down a little bit. Nice peak here on February 10th with all the other MJ stocks. In the last month, it's been up and down, coming down slowly. In the last week, it's dropped a little bit here, $2-3. And here's a look at today. Had a nice spike there at 2016 and dip at 1931. But this is Green Thumb Industries, ticker GTBIF. And here's a look at what they do as a MJ consumer packaged goods company and retailer. Promotes well-being through the power of MJ while giving back to the communities in which it serves. Manufactures and distributes a portfolio of branded MJ products, including the following, like Dog Walkers, Rhythm, and the Feel Collective, or Collection. Can't read tonight. Green Thumb Industries opens Rise Reno in Nevada, its 67th retail location in the nation on December 6th. So Chicago and Reno on December 6th. Green Thumb Industries, a leading national MJ consumer packaged goods company and owner of Rise dispensaries, today announced the opening of Rise Reno, the company's 67th store nationwide. Profits from the first day of the sales will be donated to Helping Our Brothers and Sisters Hubs, which provides mentoring and short-term financial assistance to U.S. combat veterans. So very cool, with an emphasis on living with PTSD and other chronic issues, as well as veterans denied recognition and support due to their sexual orientation. Rise Reno marks our 67th store in the nation and our first Rise store in the biggest little city in the world. We're proud to support hubs. So very interesting. Green Thumb partners with Cookies to open the brand's first location in Nevada, Cookies on the Strip. Here's some more about Green Thumb. Manufactures and distributes a portfolio of branded MJ products, including the following. Headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, Green Thumb has 16 manufacturing facilities, 67 open retail locations, and operations across 14 U.S. markets established in 2014. Green Thumb employs approximately 3,500 people and serves millions of patients and customers each year. Why Organigram, Hexo, and Green Thumb Industries were surging today. This is a little bit older of an article. I just did a video on Hexo. Also did one on Organigram. I'd have to look back through, but it did one on Cron and Cureleaf and Tilray and Sundial today as well. But this kind of goes over their growth last Tuesday. Risk on stocks. Green Thumb Industries to open Green Star Herbals, Chelsea in Massachusetts. This is dated on the 14th. So a leading national package consumer today announced it will open Green Star Herbals, Chelsea in Massachusetts on Wednesday. The store will be rebranded to Rise in 2022. Profits from the first day of sales will be donated to the LA Collaborative, an organization committed to empowering, I think that's supposed to be Latina immigrants, to enhance the social and economic health of the community and its people. So they're doing all kinds of good stuff. I like to see companies doing that type of thing, especially in the MJ field. So there's their location, 200 Beecham Street in Chelsea. MJ Dispensary, Roundup, Cureleaf, GTI, Jushi, Captor, Capital, Deep Roots, Harvest. Haven't heard of some of these. Is opening another store in Massachusetts, located at 200 Beecham Street in Chelsea. So if you've been there or having plans to go there, you can list that in the comments. New retail location will begin selling MJ on Wednesday, December 15th, which was yesterday. So the GTI expanded their footprint in the Bay State to 6 stores since entering the market in 2018. We're also proud to donate our first day of profits to La Colaborativa, who is doing important work supporting Greater Boston's Latinx community by providing food distribution and housing, legal aid, education, and job training. This goes over some more information here, so I'm just going to slowly scroll through this for those of you who would like to pause and go for that information. Deep Roots Harvest opens 5th store, Deep Roots Blue Diamond in Las Vegas. So all kinds of stores opening up in Las Vegas. Moving on over here to Reddit. Interesting move by Advisor Shares today. Some individual names from yellow and replaced with MSOS. Don't worry, MSOS bought those Cureleaf. So it looks like they did some swapping. Interesting. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 1941 with a 52-week low of 1840, 52-week high of 3911. It's been said here before, companies that benefit from safe banking are the smaller ones. Columbia Care, have not heard of that one. And this is the ETF that I was talking about earlier, Advisor Shares, MSOS. You get a small dividend on that one. I've covered those on the channel here in the past and own a couple shares of each one of those. Planet 13, have not looked at that one. That's even down. That's kind of sad. Cresco Labs. Over here on Tip Ranks. Currently at 1941 with another strong buy. Wow, 6 and 154% upside to 49.32. High of 62.29, low of 36. Cureleaf also had great ratings and a strong buy, so that's always good to see these MJ plays with a strong buy. But that's all that I have on Green Thumb Industries. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any information you care to share, and if there's any other MJ plays out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look at those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.